Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another blast from the past unboxing. This time we've got a real favourite among fans, the Duck. The box we're delving into today dates back to 1988, but the kit itself originally hit the shelves in 1966, and it recently made a comeback in the Airfix lineup as a vintage classic. Before we dive into the parts, you might have noticed that this is the first sealed kit in the retro unboxing series. Although I do suspect it's in a more recent bag and not the original one, but it's done a great job at keeping all the parts intact. I must say the Duck has held up well over the years. Have you ever built one? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's talk a little bit about the Duck. A 2.5-ton amphibious truck designed and produced in the USA during World War II. Essentially, it's a flotation body fitted onto the chassis of the General Motors 2.5 tons 6x6 truck. The Duck played a pivotal role in numerous maritime and river crossing actions from 1943 onward, handling a variety of tasks. Now moving on to the decals, and they've been smartly taped to the paper cover, ensuring that they look brand new all these years later. It's quite a clever idea that I might try and adopt for my own stash. Now onto the instructions, and a pretty cool detail here. The previous owner listed some paint they will need on the side of the instructions and on the back. Do any of you organise your builds in a similar way? Let me know down below. Last but certainly not least, we've got the parts replacement sheet, just in case a piece decides to vanish into the dreaded carpet monster. That concludes our journey with the 1966 Duck. Let me know your thoughts down below, and as always, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the retro unboxing playlist. We'll see you next time.